For today's tutorial, let me show you how you can add background music to your Instagram reel. First, open the Instagram app. Next, tap on the plus sign icon below. Then select the reel option below. You can choose to record the photo or video by tapping the camera icon, or you can select it on your camera roll. You can also browse for a template if you want. For now, let's just select the videos. After selecting the videos, tap next below. Now in here, you can choose to select the audio from the suggested audio, where it automatically syncs your clips to any track if this kind of window appears on your screen. But if this kind of editing window appears on your screen, then simply tap the music icon at the top, then search for the music that you want. Let's just select this music, then select what part of the music that you want, and click on above to save it. Now the background music has been added to your reel. You can now then tap next at the bottom and finalize your reel by adding some caption, tag people, and select your audience and other options you can adjust. When you're ready, then tap on the share button below to post it or simply save it as a draft. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.